Hello students, welcome to Lavania classes. So today I want to share some important information with you. The CBSE has announced the 30% reduction in its syllabus due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation. We'll see all the topics that have been deleted from your syllabus and the new exam pattern for 2020-21 session. So first we'll see the topics CBSE has deleted from its syllabus. Here are the deleted topics from the writing section. Classified advertisements has been removed from your syllabus. Letter to the editor giving suggestions, opinion on an issue, provide realistic context in the form of newspaper, report, article also has been removed from your syllabus. Application for a job with a big biodata or resume has been removed. Article and report writing is also deleted. Narratives is also now not in your syllabus. Now from the grammar section, models, clauses, change of voice, error correction, editing tasks, close passage, these all have been deleted from your syllabus. From the literature section, from your book Hornbill, the poem Father to Son has been deleted, and the prose, The Adventure, has also been removed from your syllabus. And from your second book, Snapshots, The Guard of the Only World and The Tale of Melancholy, these two chapters are now deleted. So now you don't need to prepare all these topics. Now see the new exam pattern for class 11th. So the new exam pattern has been divided into two sections, part A and part B. And the part A is objective type and part B is subjective type. So the total weightage of part A is 40 marks. Let's see how it is divided. First, there will be reading section and its weightage is 18 marks. Here you will see an unseen passage. That passage may be factual, descriptive or literary passage. So you will have to attempt 10 questions out of 11 questions in your exam and each question will be of 1 mark. So the total weightage will be 10 marks. Next you will have another unseen passage, that is case based factual passage. Here you will attempt 8 MCQs from 9 questions and each questions will be of 1 mark. So total weightage will be 8 marks. Next section will be grammar section and it will be of 8 marks. Here you will have MCQs on gap filling, determiners and tenses, and MCQs on reordering, transformation of sentences. You will have total 8 questions out of 10 questions. Next will be your literature section, that is for 14 marks. So in the first question there will be an extract from poetry from your book Hornbill. So out of 2 extracts you need to attempt 1 and there will be 3 MCQs from that extract, each of mark 1. Then in the next questions there will be 3 extracts and you have to attempt only 2 and those extracts will be from your book Hornbill as well as Snapshot. So each extract will have 3 MCQs, each of 1 mark. So the weightage will be 6 marks. Now in the third question, there will be 5 MCQs from prose and poetry from both of your book Hornbill and Snapshots. So each question will be of 1 mark and the total weightage will be 5 marks. So now see the part B, it is also for 40 marks. So in this section all questions will be of subjective type. First is reading section and that is for 8 marks. Here you will see a question on note making and summarization of approximately 200 to 250 words. You will have to attempt note making for 5 marks and summary up to 50 words for 3 marks. And now in the writing section, its weightage will be 16 marks. So for the writing section, you will have to write a notice up to 50 words for 3 marks. Next question will be of poster writing. You will have to write a poster of up to 50 words and it will be for 3 marks also. The next question will be based on letter writing. The letter will be up to 120 to 150 words. The letter can be business or official letter like inquiry letter, complaint letter, information, placing order, like letter to school or college, etc. etc. And the weightage will be 5 marks. The next question will be composition, writing composition based on visual and verbal inputs like speech or debates. And the weightage will be 5 marks. The next section is literature section. Its weightage is 16 marks. There will be two short answer type questions, one from prose and one from poetry from your book Hornbill. There will be 4 questions and you will have to attempt only 2 out of them. Total weightage is 4 marks. Next question is one short type question from prose your book snapshots. From 2 short questions you will have to attempt any one and the weightage will be 2 marks. Next question will be a long question from your book Hornbill. So there will be 2 long questions and you will have to attempt only one and the weightage will be 5 marks. And the next question will be another long question from your book snapshots, and also there will be 2 long questions and you will have to attempt only one of 5 marks. So these are the changes CBSE has made to your new syllabus. With this we come to an end of this video. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please share this important information with your friends also, and subscribe to our channel Lavanya Classes.